Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to insert text box. So if you want to insert text box, you can activate the developer menu, go to file, click option, and then click on customize ribbon, check for the developer tools. Click OK and it will be shown into your menu. Click in it and you can go to insert. Choose these options to insert a text box. You can click like in here. And if you want to edit, you can double click and you can press delete button to delete the text. Click outside to apply. Now if you click, it will be create the text box. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to insert text box. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.